Day 64, my weight loss journey. I felt sick today, except that I did not push myself to the best or to the more intense workouts. For those of you that don't know, this is my second time doing this challenge. And at the first one, I failed because I got injured. So right now, this new journey is for me to fix what is the problem or what is the obstacle that I was given on that first journey. So the importance of listening to your body. When you listen to your body, it's not that you need to know when it's time to recover and when to go all out. I think the reasons of many people failing is that they go all out and they burn out and then they just give up. My journey for this year, I will not do that. But to continue and be consistent. If I'm not feeling well, I will not push myself. And if I feel magnificent on a day, I will do my best to push the intensity. I'm not saying that when you're feeling unwell, you will stop. Because right now I feel unwell, but I did some workouts, the normal ones. So you need to have a goal. You need to really examine yourself and to know yourself. The self-assessment is very important in this kind of journey. I've learned from now, and the workouts that I did for the day was the normal one, was the 5 minutes of shadow boxing, and then the other one is the 3 sets of 19 repetitions of squats. So that's day 64. See you on day 65.